In this video, I'll be teaching you a 3-step process on how to take a profitable trade. Basically, think about this as an outline on how to take a good trade from the beginning to the middle to the end. Now, the first step would be to actually analyze your market. And analyzing, I'm meaning finding the direction so you know are you buying or selling in this market. Once that is done, you need to do now a risk management analysis. By risk management analysis, I'm meaning how much are you willing to lose and how much are you going to make on this trade. You need to be totally comfortable with this risk that you're taking before you actually execute the trade. So step 2 is managing your trade while you're in a trade. A lot of traders don't understand that while you're in a trade, the market is moving, so it can either move more in your direction or actually against you. Regardless of if you're in a trade, it doesn't mean when you execute the trade, you should just go to take profit. It can actually hover at your entry or move all the way into profits and then move back into a loss. So that means when taking a trade, you need to learn how to manage your trade and evolve with structure as it's moving. Now, involving with market structure is also knowing when to cut your loss at a certain point, and with the strategy, you need a strategy to help you to identify that. But while evolving the market structure, when the market's dropping into profits, you need to learn how to manage it while it's moving to profit, because a lot of people tend to cut their profits way too short before it actually makes they take profit. It's a very important step. Step 3 is knowing what will you do when you're done with the trade. Whether your trade hits stop loss, whether your trade hits take profit, what will you be doing after that? For some examples, when I take a loss, I remove myself from the chart and actually do something that makes me happy. Whether it's watching a documentary, whether it's watching a YouTube, whether it's watching a movie, but something that's going to make me happy, I remove myself from a loss. That prevents me from taking emotional trades on the market. So we've come to the end of this video, and I'm going to give you guys the rundown on what we've learned right now. But before I do that, I want you guys to like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. It's going to help people out there telling them, look, there's a good channel and there's good information you can learn from as well. Now, with that being said, guys, let me do a rundown for you guys. We have 3 steps. A 3-step process is firstly analyzing the market before you take a trade. Get your direction. Find direction, whether based on the 4-hour. For me, preferably, I find my direction on the lower time frame, for the day on the 15-minute time frame, or the 1 hour. Now, step 2 in step 1 is basically calculating your risk. Before you take a trade, once you have the direction, you take the trade. But before you take that trade, you need to calculate your risk. Step 2 is basically now, while you're in a trade, when the market's moving, how are you going to manage your risk? Are you going to be cutting your trade before you stop loss? Are you going to be cutting your trade before you take profit? What are you going to be doing in the process while in a trade? Step 3 is basically now, once a trade is done, what are you going to do? When it's a loss, are you going to walk away? What are you going to do? When it's a take profit, what are you going to do? It's simple like that. These simple steps can be placed in the training plan and can help you elevate in your trading. So with that being said, guys, Shaquille Samar, your mentor, signing out. Cheers.